Hello people, so another day, and I'm gonna try to take the probably door cards out and some more hacking of the car. So thank you for coming and watching. It has been quite a pleasure seeing, the progress and how you react as well. So thanks, like, subscribe, and share, comment, all that, yeah? Thank you. This thing, on that thing, how to take it off. I think it's been glued on or something. Out. Right now, let's see what we have here. Oh yeah, fuck, I need to open the door, get in there. So what, reposition or what? What do you reckon? Yeah, good. So, first of all, take this up, curl it up. These are really crucial as well, because they are, these little clips, don't lose them. And these, here we go. Yeah. Make some noise! See? Also, in my opinion, a street car has to have conventional, normal seat belts. Not some kind of, racing seat belt, because as staff said, it's really a pain in the balls to actually do anything with racing seat belts on a street car, because it just takes too much time to put them on, and you can't reach the radio, you can't reach this, that. That's bad. Yes. Oh yes, that's not that bad. This side is not that bad actually. You see? Yeah, but I can't. It's not the worst thing can happen. Foam. Well, this is all going to be replaced anyway. This is good. And these are going to be no more because this car is going to have electric windows. Is it going to be good enough? this. Beautiful. see, these holes shouldn't be there, because there's two little little things. You just push them over and that's it. If they stay on this, you don't have to screw anything up or on or whatever. I was thinking the other day to make a bit of a storytelling time about myself and my car obsession, and not obsession, but why I like cars and which cars I had first and all that. So that would be quite interesting, I think. Well, for myself. I don't know about you, but oh, that's the that's broken. So plus it's not electrical without any electrical motors, so I'm gonna have to source a proper one. But the later 240 was electrical windows. I also had music some time ago. Volvo original 4 ohm. Nice. Boing. You see this little guy unwelded itself, broke the weld off, so didn't even know where to go. Box. Hello. Oh my god, it weighs a ton. Wrote it, so this is what? Why is this with that piece of steel? Look, there's a piece of steel glued to it. Wow, that's interesting. It weighs a couple of kilos. Yeah, one more moment. I can take this out. Oh yeah, some more beautiful rust. Yes. Where's my screwdriver? Let's see what we have here. It's even worse. Ow! Nice. Where's my Hoover? Oh, there's a little. That was a plug. Nice. Yeah, baby. This is going to be interesting. Very, very interesting. But I'm not crying. I don't want to. There's much more than that in life. So I'm gonna weld it up and we're gonna make it bang on. Better than it was from factory. Yes, lovely, lovely, beautiful, amazing. Oh well, that's like paper. Wow. Anyway, for now it's gone. I'm done.